Wolf in Shepard's clothing. It was a savanna wind across cultured soil. Your work bore fruit, but the beasts of the wild and the beasts of the town threatened. So you, along with the good folk, hired yourself a shepherd to keep watch over your flock. The shepherd was clever and could make things work more smoothly. The shepherd had teeth big and menacing. You and the good folk were safe. This was a happy time. Others were less fortunate. Less fruit, no shepherd. They were at the mercy of the wild. The ugliness of the others was an annoyance. There was always that little fear that someday, if the fruit ran out, you might be one of the others. A chill hung over the neighborhood. There was an occasional scream in the night. The shepherd explained he needed bigger teeth. The predators were getting nasty. This went on progressively, till you felt like a teeth maker rather than a fruit grower. But the shepherd had all the answers. He said, "Keep making teeth. I'll get the others to grow the fruit. They can boost productivity, you know, their lower standard of living." The shepherd smiled. His new teeth flashed. "What's the difference? Your profit is way up, and that's good. Less chance of your waking up one day to find you're one of the others. So you shape steel, put smart stuff inside, with lots of jagged edges. This will take care of anyone messing with your shepherd. And in your dreams, you remember the days when you made fruit